Welcome back to my channel. Today we're stepping into the innovative world of blockchain with the Fuel network, a game changer in Ethereum's ecosystem. Let's dive into how you can launch your very own Fuel node. What is the Fuel network project? Fuel network is not just another blockchain project. It revolutionizes Ethereum by introducing a modular execution layer and leveraging the UTXO model for smart contracts. It aims to address Ethereum's scalability challenges, ensuring faster, cheaper transactions without compromising on EVM compatibility. With a fundraising of 80 million in 2022 with big names in the sector, Fuel Network is a promising project. The thought of node installation might seem daunting, but don't worry. I've developed an automation script to streamline the process. This script simplifies deployment, updates, and even node removal, making your journey with Fuel effortless. Before we get started, let's cover the basics. You'll need Linux Ubuntu 22.04, at least 2 CPU cores, 4 GB RAM, and 30 GB of storage. For the best performance, I recommend a setup with 8 cores, 12 GB RAM, and 100 GB of SSD storage. And for hosting, Contabo's VPS2 server is my top choice for its reliability and performance. To get started with Contabo, feel free to use my referral link. To set the stage for your Fuel node, you'll need an Ethereum Sepolia API key from Alchemy. Just sign up, verify your account, create a new application, and voila, you're ready to dive into the next steps. Save the Alchemy API key, it will be useful for the next step. Preparing your system is next. We'll start by updating your system's packages, followed by installing Git and Ansible. With the groundwork laid, we'll clone the project repo, giving you access to all the essential files and the Ansible playbook needed for the node setup. You should have Ansible version 2.15 or higher. Now the exciting part, installing the Fuel node. We'll run the Ansible script which takes care of everything, setting up your node to join the Fuel network seamlessly. Choose your desired node name. Enter the Alchemy API key previously saved. With our node installed, the next step is to ignite its power. Initiate your node service using this command. After starting service, you can check that the node is working properly by consulting the logs. Please note that synchronization takes several hours. Now that our Fuel node is up and running, you can easily connect it to a Fuel wallet in your browser. This allows you to manage your accounts and transactions directly through the wallet's user interface, using your own node's data. Begin by installing the Fuel wallet extension, navigate to the official Fuel wallet website on your browser and download the extension. Once installed, open the Fuel wallet extension to set up a new account. Now visit the Fuel Faucet website, enter your wallet's address and request test funds. With your account ready, it's time to connect your wallet to your node. In the Fuel wallet, locate the Network Management section. Here you'll add a new network by entering your node's URL. Enter the public IP of your node in the URL. As soon as you see a positive balance appear, your node is synchronized. In our case, you will have to wait a few hours. And there you have it. Congratulations. Your Fuel node is fully functional and connected to your wallet. Additionally, if you want to stop the Fuel node, type these commands. To start the Fuel node, type these commands. Finally, if you want to delete the node, type this command. Join the Fuel community on Discord and Twitter to stay informed about the project. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or want to join the conversation, my Discord is always open. Don't forget to fill out the quick survey linked below. Your feedback helps me create content that aligns with your interests. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more blockchain adventures. Don't forget to follow us on social media and join our communities for the latest updates. See you in the next video.